Oh, hey, what up? I'm Dorian Renaud, and today I'm waking up with Elle. So one of the first things I like to do when I wake up is light a candle. I love the aromas and smelling good in the morning, and I like my room to smell good and fresh. So I like to light a candle. I don't know what it is about like a freshly lit candle in the morning, but it really gets my day going. The aroma is so good. I like to start my day off with peace. So I usually read my daily devotional. This keeps me from saying things that I shouldn't say and starting my day with a real intention. And so if I don't read this every day, something can go wrong. After I read my daily devotional, I like to get up and wash my face with my Butter skincare products. So the next and most important step of my morning is washing my face with my Butter skincare kit. And I like to keep it easy and simple and efficient. So I start off with my gentle cleanser, which is really amazing. And I like to use my Vibe brush so I can really like wake my face up, get those pulsations in my face, get the blood flowing, and really get a deep cleanse. I love this brush because it really wakes you up in the morning. Helps you with those fine lines, wrinkles, the puffiness, and really cleanses in a gentle way. I do it all over my face, feels so good. Sometimes this can be a little addicting because it feels so good in the morning. So after I wash my face with my Vibe brush, I usually like to give myself a nice splash of water so I can really wake myself up. Sometimes I have extremely long days. Starting my face by washing it really cleanses it, makes me feel good, wakes me up. There's step number 1 in my routine. Next up, I like to use the vitamin C serum, which I like to call magic in a bottle. This is absolutely amazing. It helps with hyperpigmentation. It helps with evenness on your skin. Really the trick to my butter glow. So I rub that all over my face gently like so. And you can really feel the vitamins going into your skin. And I think as a man, we want a routine that's easy and simple and efficient. And I think that's what we do here at Butter. There's the glow coming in. There's Dorian Renaud. I like to say I do not turn into Dorian Renaud until I put my butter on and I feel a glow. Prior to that, I'm just country old Dorian. So the next step in my skincare routine, which is probably the most important, is to moisturize. You have to moisturize probably once to twice a day, especially like in these winter months. And this Cocoa Shea is thick enough so a little goes a long way. I put it in the palm of my hands, rub it. My makeup artist has this trick where he massages your face before he puts the makeup on with my Cocoa Shea, and it's probably my favorite part of this routine is really getting that moisture locked in. And there you have it. Let's glow on the go. I have a busy day, and this was easy, simple with my Butter skincare routine. So after I wash my face and I have a nice healthy glow, it is imperative that I put on old school R&B in the morning. I really like to listen to music that feeds my soul. People like Toni Braxton, Brandy, Boyz II Men, that really gets me going and it makes me feel all warm inside and powerful. R&B, start your day like that. So the next thing I like to do in the morning on a day like this in New York where I have press is meet with my team to discuss my schedule and all of our initiatives for the day. We have our Macy's opening in Brooklyn. We have to go through the community list, make sure we have everything going. It's a lot. but we have to do it because everybody's showing up. This is it. We're at the final stretch.
Let's get some coffee on the way.
We need some coffee. I'm proud of us. I could not do this without y'all. Like, it's a big mess to make me look perfect and make this thing perfect, but we really do it. High five. We had a great week. Yes. Yes. Well, I need to like go get myself together for press.
Yeah. Go get it together.
All right, Elle, look, it's been an honor spending my morning with you, but unfortunately I have to go because I have a long day of press. Peace, love, and remember, it's butter, baby.